How to fix Snapchat camera rotate problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. On the right side, you'll find arrow that expands. In here, search for dual camera. If you have dual camera option, click on dual camera and use that camera. After that, simply unselect it and your problem will be fixed. If it still does not fix your problem, scroll down your notification bar. Click on auto rotate and then again click on auto rotate again to turn it off. After you do that, if your camera was rotating, it will solve your problem. And if it still does not fix your problem, open Snapchat. Click on camera flip option at the top, which is 2 arrows. Flip your camera 2 times. After that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Snapchat camera rotate problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.